Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Marleny. Today I'll be showing you a Swedish version of cinnamon rolls and also known as Kanelboller. Enjoy! For this recipe, you will need 12 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of ground cardamom, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. In a saucepan, warm up 3 cups of milk, melt 4 sticks of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of sour cream. Mix your dry ingredient and add 2 whisked eggs. Gradually pour your wet mixture to the dry ingredient and mix it well until you get a dough. Add more flour as needed. Knead your dough, then cover it and let it sit for 10 minutes. For the filling, you will need 4 sticks of room temperature butter, a quarter cup of cinnamon powder, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cardamom. Divide your dough in 4 parts, then roll it out into almost rectangular shape. Add enough filling to cover the whole surface. Fold it in half and cut it into strips. Stretch the strips, then twist it and fold it in like a flower. Cover them and let them rise for 1 hour or till they get bigger. Whisk 3 egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract to give them a golden brown color. Brush them all with the egg wash. Sprinkle on some cubic sugar to give them some texture. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Remove them out of the oven when they turn golden brown. And this is how you make a Swedish bullar. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.